Today I'm going to show you the best test kit out there right now for a swimming pool or a hot tub. The chlorine, the pH, and the alkalinity. So once I show you those three and what to follow along here, you'll be able to do the pH and the chlorine or bromine same way. So what you do here is you just follow along all this here. This is chlorine, this is pH, this is alkalinity, this is hardness, this is cyanidic acid, which is your stabilizer, and this would be a sodium chloride, which is salt test. But you just follow along. It's the same idea. You'll get it by the colors and everything else, but I'll just give you a fast rundown. pH. So right now it's asking us to fill it up to 44 milliliters, which is this larger vial. And it tells you step by step which one to use. There's numbers right on it. It tells you how many drips. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna do the chlorine the same time. And again, the chlorine is telling us to fill up this vial. So we're gonna use drip 1 because it's telling us to use it. So it's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the next one, which is number 2, it's also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna cover that up, mix it up. So that's our readings right there. So as you can see, there's no chlorine by the color, which you want between 1 and 3. So we got 0. So we can add a lot. Depends on the size of the pool and the hot tub. And then we have pH here, which you can see that's around 7.6, which is okay. So you want it around 7.6, 7.5, 7.4, somewhere around there. You just don't want it really, really dark. So it shows up pretty dark on the other ones, as you can see. Okay, so we're gonna do the alkalinity next. So again, it's asking us to fill it up to 25 milliliters on the larger one. And it's asking us for number 7, which is 2 drops. We go 1, 2. And we want to mix that because it'll tell you to swirl it a bit. So you swirl it up a bit. Then the next one we're going to do 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swirl that up a bit. You want it to go green. If it goes yellow, just adjust your pH. Whatever your pH had, it's probably going to be low, so you're going to have to raise that up because it won't give you the proper reading on the alkalinity. So the next one, what we're going to do is, it's going to ask you to swirl it and count. So you count just, so every one you count, you're going to multiply it by 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you want it to go pink. 25, 26, 27. A little more. 27, 28. So that's pretty high. You want it to be between 100 and 120 for a pool or a hot tub. So you're gonna have to drop it down pretty good. So it depends on what chemicals you use. You're gonna have to drop that alkalinity down a lot. So just go by what your chemicals are telling you to do. So it depends on what size your pool you have or a hot tub. You have to go the amount of water and then whatever the instructions are and whatever chemicals you use to drop it. Okay? Now, if this video helped you out, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.